So I know I haven't been on here, like it's Friday, and yeah, y'all just now seeing me. But man, let me tell y'all, like my allergies did the kid in. Like it was not even a game how bad my allergies got. My sinuses were swollen, had fluid in my ears, everything. Kid was down bad. I was down bad, y'all. Like I didn't even know what to do with myself. So it was like in the house, at work. That was about it. Then I'm like, gotta go to physical therapy for like my foot and my shoulder. So that was another thing. So with the both of those, and they wanting to try like new stuff, the struggle's been way too real. But you know, it's Friday, it's nice outside. About to go get into some things or whatever of the sort. I just wanted to check in with y'all, you know. Oh Lord. Let's see what adventures we can get into over the weekend. I'm just lying, y'all. I'm probably not gonna do nothing this weekend but stay in the house. I got work to do. So I doubt we really go anywhere. But hey, who knows? We'll see. You know, you always gotta try to find a way. There it go. There it go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, so hey, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a few, alright? Okay, okay. Bada bing back home. So found my little thing. I had this for what? Birthday, like what, 2 years ago? Or whatever. Been my birthday, about to get ready to come back up. It's only right that I put it on and it's cute and it's popping. Cool. Like y'all, if y'all follow me on Snap, y'all know I've been playing with this thing on Snap. Almost feel. Ooh, gotta tighten up. But yeah. I don't have anything to do. The kiddos just made it home. And looking like they about to find something to get into that they probably shouldn't be messing with. Oh, like Patty. Oh, look at that girl. Y'all, okay, really don't have anything to do. I had a great lunch though. New spot. Like, it was nice. It was nice, okay? Like, I couldn't even eat all my food. And the bar service is amazing. I was like, yes, okay, okay. You know, personally, like if I would have had to drive, I wouldn't have went. But being that I didn't have to drive, I was with it. So only way I probably would go back is if somebody else was driving. You know, so I might have to tell my peoples about the spot. You know, I can't do it. I can't do it. Driving to these other cities like this. Anything where I have to go through the tunnel. It's enough. It's enough. You know. You know, and I have my peoples. I have really great dear friends to stay on like others, like on the other side of the tunnel. Like either going towards the Hampton way or the Portsmouth way. But baby, like I live all the way out here at the beach. Driving out there, it's a no. Like it has to be planned like a few weeks ahead. Like I gotta get my mind right. You know. What are you doing? I just come home messing with stuff, like. But did you wash your hands though? Like, don't be in my kitchen touching stuff. That's for anybody. Don't be in my kitchen touching stuff and you ain't washed your hands. What's wrong with him? Like, he don't know who his mama is. Better tighten up. Let me go get them all the way together, okay? And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to talk to y'all. Because right now they're acting like they don't know no better. And we all know they know better. Hi, y'all. I'm laying here being a fat kid. Eating snacks. Eating my goldfish. Bomb. This is what I eat for a snack. Thanks for my water. I think I'm gonna take a nap because I am kind of tired. Sounds about right. Plus, there's nothing to do. Like, there's nothing I really want to watch on TV. Feel like maybe when I get up and my phone, like it's like charged, because right now it's probably on like 30%. That yeah, I'll do something with my life. But you know what I'm saying? Right now it's Snuggie time. Oh yeah, go Snuggie, go Snuggie. My little water bottle back there, empty, done, killed it. Ooh, smashed. Ooh, hydrated. What about you? So yeah, you know, what do y'all do? What are you doing right now as you're watching this video? Where you at? You know what I'm saying? Drop it down in the comment box below. You know, let me know if you at home chilling. You know what I'm saying? You at work bored or whatever. Because it be like that sometimes, you know. It definitely be like that. Like, I know. Because I do be at work bored sometimes. Get y'all some little better lighting, you know. Who don't want to see it? Uh-oh. Somebody likes me. Somebody just texts me. I'm just playing. I've been having whole conversations. So, yeah. I'm going to answer this message. I'm probably going to close my blinds so it gets dark in here so I can take me a good old nap. You should probably take a nap too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, 2 more weeks. Like right now, I'll be, yeah, by this time, whatever, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, cause y'all the crew. I'm gonna be like probably sipping a Mai Tai or something, laid out in my swimsuit. You know what I'm saying? Like, more than likely, more than likely, it's gonna be real, y'all. It's gonna be real. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be just like y'all there with me. I promise. I promise, because I'm definitely taking y'all along. You can't come fast enough. Yo, my moms is be in the building come next week. Gotta love moms. You know what I'm saying? She coming to look out for the kid. Come chill with her grandkids. You know what I'm saying? So she about to spoil them for like the good week I'm going for my birthday trip. So they loving it. They was like, yeah, grandma coming. Ooh, we gonna get to stay up a little later. She gonna cook us whatever we want. Facts. Facts. Y'all gonna meet moms. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna meet her. Yo, I'm saying she'll be in the building next week. Next weekend, mad busy, y'all. Like, we're gonna be on the move next weekend. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be on the move. I'm thinking about all the stuff I gotta do. Like, you 2 weeks out, you probably should start doing majority of this stuff now. So as it comes, like, you gonna match them over. Nah, I work better under pressure. So, hey, I'm gonna check my messages and I'm gonna come back and holler at y'all. Or maybe after my nap. Or whatever I'm about to do. Y'all know it's real. I took off my clothes, put on my pajamas, bonnet on. I'm not taking this makeup off though. I will not take it off. And I'm here, I'm not a fan of sleeping in your makeup. I don't even recommend it. But, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a nice, good skin regimen after this because I'm not taking it off. I'm going to go to sleep and I'm going to try not to smush my lashes. But I like to sleep with the covers off my head. Fun fact, if you didn't know. I like to sleep with the covers off my head and I do like it dark. But, you know, it's a nice little breeze coming through the window. So I'm going to leave the window open. But, yeah. I'm smooth about to take me a nap. Because it's real. I mean, it's kind of late for a nap. But it's the weekend. And I do what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm grown. I mean, if you watching this and you grown, I mean, of course you do what you want to do too. To put my phone on silent. Well, y'all, my phone stays on silent. So if you can't reach me at times, that's probably because my phone was on silent. And I missed it. It's rare. I think the only time it's on vibrate is when my kids are in school. Those be the calls that I do not want to miss. But everybody else, I'd be like, you're gonna have to wait till I look at this phone. But enough talking to y'all. I mean, I like y'all and all. You know what I'm saying? I digs. You know what I'm saying? I mess with y'all. But the way I need to take this nap, I'm gonna have to holler at y'all in about 30-45 minutes. To be safe, just give me a smooth hour. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna holler. Good morning and happy Saturday, y'all. So I have to run to the store. And I have a class at noon. So I'm trying to like hurry up and make sure that I can get back so I can log on to this class. Y'all, like, first off, I went to bed messing with Brett like last night or whatever, but I guess she was already asleep. So she didn't get my message until like sometime in the middle of the night. But it was hilarious, y'all. I wish I could share, but then right now I'm saying I was being petty. I feel like I was just speaking the truth, and it was the truth when it came down. So we brought our other sis, we brought Bella into the fold or whatever. She said she wasn't dealing with us this morning, but I was telling the truth. So I was like, okay, you know what I'm saying, I'm good. And then Britt agreed. Everybody agreed. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was telling the truth. I was keeping it real. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ain't gonna like it. But I should have said it loud enough for the people in the back and the people at these different places and doing different things and all the rest of the stuff. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave it alone. This is my last time saying anything about it here. Standing light. Currently waiting on my kids to decide they want to help me get ready. You know?
Oh, right here.
I don't know why you bringing that tablet. I don't know why you always trying to bring stuff. You need to fix your clothes because you look a mess right now. Like, what is he doing? Like, what in the world? Go downstairs. And your shirt is on inside out. So you need to fix your shirt. Like, are you so in a rush that you can't even put your clothes on right? What is going on? Y'all. It's only like 70-something degrees outside today. I'm kind of scared to go out here because it's cloudy and I just don't want to be dealing with emotions today. But hey. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, Lord. It's bright. And I got my glasses on. So I can't put on my shades. What am I going to do? But my life is nice. I'm going to have to load up on the allergy meds. We're going to have to come out and do some things. Or whatever. Should be filming a video for y'all today. So that'll be coming out sometime this week. But I have a lot of stuff coming up. For sure, for sure. But yeah. Let me make it to my destination. I'm going to hit y'all back.